Do you know the way to turn your photo into 360 degrees just like 3D camera? First thing first, we have to observe the image. It seems there are lots of sunlight on the right side, so we will cut a part of the right side to the left to make the image balanced. Pick up quick selection tool and select just a building and trees. Save F6 to add feather to it. Around 0.5 pixels is okay. Press Ctrl or Command J to cut this selection to new layer. Use Move tool to move this layer to the left. And flip it by going to Edit, Transform, Flipped Horizontal. Take Eraser tool to remove the line between layer 1 and background to make it smoother. It's quite good. Let's merge them together with Ctrl or Command E. Next, we're going to create 360 degree effect. Go to Image, Image Size. Make sure to unlink the connection of width and height so we can modify one of them without touching to each other. Let's resize this into square photo. Change height from 1552 to 3000, which is the same amount of width, then confirm. Flip the photo upside down, select the whole image, Ctrl or Command A, head to Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical. Deselection with Ctrl or Command D. Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinate. Make sure to choose Rectangular to Polar and OK. Easy, right? Now take tools that you like to remove the line on the top. I'll take Spot Healing Brush tool. Then use Clone Temp tool to make a smooth transition. Hold Alt to take the sample and pan to the area you want to replace. Make sure to adjust the opacity and flow so that your stroke will not strong. Let's take this man into the middle of the photo. We'll cut the subject out of the background first. Select Subject. Use Quick Selection tool to add more the selection that isn't selected by Photoshop AI. Go to Select, Select and Mask. Use Refine Edge Brush tool to paint on his hair to remove the white background below. Make sure to check on decontaminate colors. The amount is around 44%. Output to new layer and OK. The subject is now separated from the background. Use Move tool, click and drag to move him to our project. This subject is quite big, right? Let's give him some adjustments. Edit, Transform, Distort. Shorten him a bit and rotate to follow the direction of the cloud. Expand the building even more. Click to the clock icon to unlock the background layer. Press Ctrl or Command T. Hold Shift, Alt, click to the corner and drag out to expand the background from the center without effect to the square shape. Duplicate the top layer. Select second layer, open Hue Saturation Adjustment and decrease lightness to -100 to change this layer into black. This step to make the subject's shadow. Press Ctrl Command T to resize the shadow. Change blend mode from normal to lightly burn. And reduce the opacity to make it real. Let's blur the shadow. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Around 7 pixels and OK. Add dark point to hit fit to make the shadow look realistic. Create a new layer, take brush tool, B shortcut, black in foreground, dab bright on hit fit and adjust the opacity. Let's rotate the background to the left to reveal more buildings. Pick up Magic Wand tool to select the transparent areas on each corner. Select, modify, expand 20 pixels to expand the selection. Save F5 to fill the selection with the sky by selecting Content Aware. And there you go. If you like this tutorial, hit like, subscribe and the notification to update our latest tip day by day. See ya!